Welcome to Nollywood TV. We're live here in Paris for the Nollywood Week Festival, the 6th edition. I'm your host, Cyprian Joseph. Now, this is just wonderful that Africans are innovating, and we're going to celebrate what they call universal keyboard. Now, you can see this keyboard here. It breaks through a lot of barriers. It breaks through languages. It breaks through all tribes. And again, it goes beyond what you can think of. It talks a lot of languages. This is globalization, a global keyboard. And this keyboard speaks a lot of languages. Now I'm here with two men, the inventors. We're very proud to meet you. Yeah. And this is Nollywood TV talking to you and bringing you live here on our platform. This evening, we are here for the Nollywood Week for cinema, but this is more than cinema. Yeah. You're welcome to our program.
Yes.
What's your name?
My name is Peter Mujiwa Orebawo, an architect and computer scientist.
And you, votre nom s'il vous plaît?
Moi c'est Monsieur Hakim Aguer.
His name is Mr. Hakim Aguer.
Okay. Je suis ingénieur en informatique.
He's an engineer in computer science.
Et développeur.
And also he's a developer. So now we're going to speak two languages, but I think this, like you can see, this keyboard defeats us. This keyboard speaks a lot of languages, man. And now I will interview him in French. I'll start first of all with you, because we're in France, and then I'll go to English. Alors, monsieur, votre nom encore s'il vous plaît?
C'est Monsieur Hakim Aguer.
Monsieur Hakim Aguer. Now, maintenant, dites-nous comment vous avez arrivé à cette idée, l'idée de fabriquer cette clavier, sous clavier. Now, what I've just said to Mr. Hakim Aguer is, how did you get the idea to manufacture, to bring out this keyboard?
Oui, et on a eu cette idée, j'ai eu cette idée parce que je voulais écrire ma langue.
I had this idea because I wanted to write my language.
Qui est le Yoruba.
Oh, that is Yoruba.
Et j'ai regardé, je dis bon, je vais apprendre le Yoruba et je vais écrire le Yoruba.
I looked around, I said I'm going to learn Yoruba, but I have to write Yoruba.
Et je suis allé sur Internet.
I went to the internet
pour chercher un clavier qui écrit Yoruba.
To search for a keyboard that writes Yoruba.
Je n'ai pas trouvé, j'ai trouvé des claviers virtuels.
There was none, I just found a virtual keyboard.
Ce n'est pas adapté pour l'Afrique.
It's not adapted for our continent, Africa.
Mais parce qu'on doit écrire nos langues comme on écrit le français, comme on écrit l'anglais, avec un clavier ordinaire et clavier que tout le monde peut utiliser.
Because we have to write our language with our own keyboards that our own people can understand.
Parce qu'on a pensé qu'en Afrique, il y a beaucoup d'analphabètes et que ces analphabètes-là vont pouvoir écrire facilement avec ce clavier.
Because we have the conception that in Africa there are so many illiterates, or let's say people who cannot write, but with this keyboard, this is the magic keyboard, and he didn't say that, but I just added it, they can do something better.
Et c'est pour cette raison qu'on a mis sur ce clavier les caractères que les gens peuvent utiliser directement.
And this is why we have added to this keyboard that you're looking at so many characters, and that people can adapt themselves, that people can use.
Et donc l'idée que le clavier virtuel qui sont sur le net va résoudre le problème, ce n'est pas vrai. Donc c'est ce clavier-là qui va résoudre le problème.
Now, the idea that the virtual keyboard can solve the problem is not true. This is the keyboard that can solve the problem. This one you're looking at, universal keyboard, man.
Et on a fait en sorte que ce clavier-là puisse écrire en même temps toutes les langues d'Afrique. Donc on aura une version qui va écrire toutes les langues d'Afrique.
Now we found this idea to make sure that this keyboard you're looking at, look at it, everyone look at it, can write all African languages.
Donc voilà l'objectif.
Now this is the objective, and this is the objective. So C'est bon. Merci beaucoup. Thank you very much. Now I have to go to you. You are Mr.
Peter Mujiwa Orebanwo.
Yeah, we can see your team is complete. You are an architect, and then he's a developer, and again engineer, yes, right. And again a teacher. He teaches in the university here. Right?
Yes.
Right. So okay. Yeah. Now, how did you meet him? Because it's very nice to work together. Yeah. We have the conception that the saying that Africans can work together. But how did you come together?
Yeah, this was what it happens that I taught Yoruba here in Paris. Okay. What happens that I was telling him the language. Okay. You speak it, but cannot write it. Okay. Because it's from Benin Republic. Okay. I'm from Nigeria, Yoruba, Nigeria. So what happens then from exchanging the ideas? I say, okay, can you write it? He said, no. So from that, there's no keyboard that can write it. From there, I suggested the ideas. Okay, you can create keyboard. Okay. You can write Yoruba. Okay. From there, the idea started. Wow. From there, we have a meeting every Fridays on the CCID programming, how to create our own keyboard at the same time that will be adaptable to African. That's correct. So from there we are doing research. We tried Ubuntu. Yeah. We tried the window. Window was locked because of their keyboard. Yeah. So then from there we do this research. During the research now we develop the idea, the programs that we're able to give a green light in a way to our program. Okay. From there, we analyzed the way in which African can be developed in a way. Okay. Because we see in different ways that Africans, even European countries, in England they speak English to education. In France, the French language. In German language. In Russia, Russian language. In Spain, Spanish language. In Portugal, Portuguese language. Yeah. So it's only in Africa that the children have difficulties of adopting in a way. So some are being left out in the school because they cannot cope up. Yeah. So if we now teach their language to means of communication, instruction, it will be easier for them. And not only that one, again, the people in the villages and some other local areas in Africa can be integrated to the numeric system. Yeah. So not only that one, again, is a way of promoting the world patrimony in a way, because most of African languages, because the research says that many languages started from Africa. Even the world language started from Africa. Everything is started from Africa. So from there now, we have to come back to our source. So this is the way in which this keyboard can be useful for colleges, for universities, even for the Nollywood. Because most people in Africa, their father's language cannot be written correctly because there's no keyboard that writes it. Like even Yoruba language now, instead of Oba, they say Oba. Instead of Baba, they say so the same thing. So it's a problem. It's deformation. We in France here, we don't. They write correctly their language, their dictation and everything. So they make it compulsory in a way to write quickly, good French language. So exactly the same thing. We must have deformation for African languages in a way, because since we cannot write it, it's a way of making the African language to sink into oblivion in a way. So now, when we can be able to write our language, it will be a sort of respect for us in a way. Okay. So be able to, because there are many things, people die in Africa, the library goes with them. Yeah. So now we have to way of conserving for the future generation. Yeah. So this is another way in which we are contributing to the world knowledge.
Telling our stories with your keyboard. Right?
Yes, exactly.
Now, just one thing before we started this program, you just said that this keyboard we're looking at goes beyond Africa. Is that even the Chinese and many countries can use it. Can you tell us about that more? Because some other people who are not Africans can be interested in trying to use your keyboard. Yeah. And this is really innovation. Exactly. Really innovation. Please, I want to take you on that.
We call it universal keyboard. Why? Because it's not only the African language can write, it integrates Azeti, Equity. That is English and French language. English and French keyboard. So the same thing, and some other world languages used to it. So exactly the same thing here. we are really universal in a way. Another way is that people want to go to Africa. Children born here, they want to go back to Africa. It's another way of initiating them in the African languages through our keyboard, because you can be able to write it correctly. Another version is coming, which is the keyboard that speaks in vocal keyboard. We are working on it. We have done it already. That is vocal keyboard. That is through this keyboard.
Is that for blind people?
We can use it for the blind people and also for the people who want to learn the languages for African languages easily.
Okay.
I can learn other languages through this keyboard that is coming up.
Okay.
So,
oui. Ça veut dire que les illettrés,
Oui.
ceux qui ne sont pas allés à l'école,
Oui.
avec ce clavier parlant, pourront s'alphabétiser rapidement.
That means those who cannot read and write with this keyboard can easily learn how to write and even read. Okay. Now you've talked about your keyboard.
Yeah.
Now it's very, very nice.
Yeah.
It's something interesting to find that Africans can come with this innovation.
Yeah.
But the hard question is,
Yeah.
how do you make sure that this keyboard reaches the people, I mean the clients, the customers that you are setting it for? I mean, you have built it for.
Yeah.
Do you have teachers? How do you have schools? Who is going to teach it? Are you going to train people to
Yeah.
teach them how to use the keyboard?
Exactly.
Because I don't know how to use it.
Exactly. So we have the training for the user.
Okay.
So we have even a training center here that can train people up to the engineer and software engineer. We train people up to software engineer to be able to use the develop programs that can use the keyboard. And also we can also train people to use the keyboard. And also not only that one, we can also make it more popular in a way. So that we need people who can commercialize it, who are interested in making make it popular in a way. People, investors can also invest on it if they wish. From there also even Nollywood, when you see all the films making, it's even very important to be able to write it correctly for the script. So for the children to come and future generations, it's another way of transmitting our patrimony and our culture in a way, because culture is going down. Because we've been mixed up things. So this is a
je peux rajouter par rapport à votre question, et que effectivement, par exemple au Nigeria,
With regard to my question, for example, in Nigeria,
dans les universités,
in the universities,
on apprend le Yoruba, on écrit le Yoruba.
we learn Yoruba, we write Yoruba, we write Igbo.
Et dans les autres pays aussi aujourd'hui, on a compris que les enfants doivent apprendre leur langue. Donc il y a maintenant dans le système scolaire l'introduction des langues africaines dans les écoles. Donc ce clavier sera utile pour eux et ça va permettre aussi d'encourager l'éducation de nos langues dans le futur.
So if I should summarize what you just said, is that this keyboard is very useful to the schools in Nigeria, that it can help them to get more out of their education. So I wouldn't like to take much of your time. Where can we get you online? Have you got a website, your address, so that we can go to learn more?
Yeah, we are our website is eitiwa.com. That is EITWA.com.
Okay.
So we have a website there. We have our products there because we have also the computer that can with the keyboard that goes with it.
Okay.
So and we have also on Google Play.
Okay.
We have on smartphones.
Okay.
People can download it on their smartphone to be used in a way. So we have many products inside it, and also the training and the ways in which we can make things work for this keyboard for the future generation.
Thank you. Last word, Daniel Moore.
Ce clavier,
Hold it, two of you. Yes, okay.
Ce clavier, non seulement ça va permettre d'écrire les langues, ça va permettre aussi de développer notre culture comme Nollywood.
this keyboard is not only that it can help us to develop our language, it can also help the Nollywood industry to produce more movies. I'm your host, Cyprian Johnson. Thank you very much, and keep on watching Nollywood TV. Thank you very much, gentlemen.